BJP has announced its candidates for Badgam and Nagrota Assembly constituencies where by-polls are going to take place. We have with us Devyani Rana, who has got BJP's ticket from Nagrota Assembly constituency. Devyani Rana ji, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India Today and many congratulations.
Thank you.
You are daughter of Devinder Singh Rana. He was always considered as a grassroots leader, and it's going to be very challenging for you as far as meeting the expectations of the people of Nagrota is concerned and filling his shoes. It's a mammoth task. Are you confident that you are going to get the support and affection of the people of Nagrota the way Devinder Singh Rana used to get?
At the very outset, I would first of all like to thank the Bharatiya Janata Party and especially our most honorable and esteemed leadership led by the most honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Home Minister Sahab, Amit Shah ji, and our Honorable National President, Shri J.P. Nadda Sahab, our Honorable National General Secretary Shri Tarun Chugh ji, our respected State President Shri Shat Sharma ji, our respected General Secretary Organization Shri Ashok Kaul Sahab, our respected LOP Shri Sunil Sharma ji, our respected MLA Shri Shamlal Sharma sir, and our respected Bharat Bhushan ji, DDC Chairman, for their utmost, for giving me their blessings and giving me the utmost guidance and allowing me the opportunity to fulfill the promise that I made to the revered, respected Shri Devinder Singh Rana Sahab, who in his last few days held my hand and said that Nagrota constituency, this is my family, the people are my people, and I don't want these people to feel ever that I am not amidst them, and that you have to fulfill all the promises that I have made to these people. So today I am here standing on the basis of that promise, and I am humbly obliged that the party has given me this opportunity to not only fulfill the promise that I have made to Rana Sahab, but also to fulfill the fact that this seat has always belonged to the Bharatiya Janata Party and will continue to do so.
Are you confident about your victory from Nagrota?
For the past 11 months, I have gone from household to household. I have visited every village, every panchayat. I have sought the blessings of all our elders, our dadis, dadas, our chachas, tayas, our buas, our brothers, our sisters. And I am very hopeful that the kind of blessing and love that they have showered upon me will continue to show its colors in the upcoming few days.
As I said that, Devinder Singh Rana has left a legacy and it needs to be carried forward, and it's a mammoth challenge for you. Although you are his daughter, but it's very difficult to fill his shoes, considering the fact that he was considered as a mass leader. He had, ears on ground. He knew the pulse of the people.
Rana Sahab held my hand and made me promise that Nagrota will never feel his absence, and I have done everything in my utmost ability to ensure that Rana Sahab's absence in this physical world is not felt. I believe that his heavenly grace and blessings continue to be showered upon us, and I am very hopeful that the first step towards fulfilling Rana Sahab's wishes for Nagrota constituency to turn it into a model constituency has already started in the past 11 months, and that we will continue to work upon it. I believe that Rana Sahab was like a banyan tree under whose shade we've all grown up, under whose shade we've seen what a spectacular leader he was, what a wonderful way he had of taking all segments of society along with him. And if God is kind, and as Rana Sahab's heavenly grace continues to shower upon me and the people of Nagrota constituency, we will continue what he used to do.
Earlier today, when BJP announced the candidates for the by-elections, and your name was also, announced for Nagrota Assembly seat, what were the thoughts that were going on in your mind at that point of time?
At the very first thing, like Rana Sahab would do, Rana Sahab would always go and seek blessings from Mata Rani, and I had the privilege to go and pay obeisance to Shri Mata Vaishno Devi ji at our home, and also seek blessings from Rana Sahab from his physical portrait, and also pray to him and to Mata Rani to shower their continued blessings upon us. And that I know that today Rana Sahab is not with us, but as always, every day, every moment, I feel his absence, but I also feel his heavenly presence and heavenly blessings, and I would hope that it continues as the days progress, and that we will always remember him. We will always continue to remember him, and I hope that the kind of expectations that people had from him, we are able to fulfill those.
Are you missing your dad a bit more today?
I miss him every day. There is
Missing a bit more today.
there is an infinite amount of time, an infinite amount that I miss him. And when you look at infinity, it's uncountable. And there is not a moment that I don't wish that he was standing with me in this physical realm. However, that is what the law of nature is. Rana Sahab has ascended into his heavenly abode, and I would hope that wherever he is at seeking blessings from Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Ji. As you have said, that he was a big devotee of Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Ji. He was a big Shiv Ji devotee, and I would hope that wherever he is at peace and feels proud today to see that all of the people that used to love him, used to shower blessings upon him, are standing right next to me and showering their blessings to me and will help me in the journey forward.
Miss Rana, I know it's going to be very emotional for you to recall that moment. What did he tell you? What was his message to advise to you?
Rana Sahab took my hand in his, and he was very firmly and very boldly, in his signature voice, boomed and told me that Nagrota constituency, this is my family. I have made promises to my people, and they should not at any point of time feel that I am no longer there. Ensure that every wish that I have, every promise that I have made to them is fulfilled, and every wish that they have going forward is taken care of. Rana Sahab and I had that kind of a relationship, and this is something that he has had with all three of us siblings, us as a family and Nagrota family as large. When he would say something, everybody would fall in line and get it done. And I've always been that kind of a person. If he has told me something, it will be done, whether come hail or hailstorm, hail or sunshine, it's going to be done. And I am grateful to the Bharatiya Janata Party that when Rana Sahab held my hand, I did not know how this is going to happen, but they have held me throughout the past 11 months, held my hand, helped me walk this journey, and I would hope going forward that I get that same blessing, that we are able to fulfill his promise, because I feel that was his last wish, and being able to fulfill a parent's last wish is a child's biggest, tribute to them.